Which of the quadratic functions, when graphed, will have a range of y is less than or equal to 12? So if we look at this, this is saying, well, in the range will be less than or equal to 12. So if we were to look at a quadratic, this being our apex, our vertex, so our max would be x12. That's what it's saying. So this is what our kind of curve would follow. So we need to figure out which one's going to be. Since it's facing downwards, it has to be a negative quadratic. So I can cross out C and A because the lowest point, it should be the other way around. So I'm trying to look at what is it going to be right here when the grace value is 12. So the way you could check it is just plug in 12 into both of them. Or, I guess the best way to do this would be, I guess you could just use this formula. X equals negative b over 2a. Let's do the first equation. Let's just test that. If that works, we're good. If it doesn't, then we could just go with D. First equation, so we're going with letter B, negative x squared minus 4x plus 12. A, B, C, so our A is equal to negative 1, and our B is equal to negative 4. That's all we need. So our x value is equal to, let this, oops, that's not needed. X is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 1. X is equal to 4 over negative 2, which we get x is equal to negative 2. And now if we were to plug that in to find the other, because the vertex is defined by negative b over 2a and the function of negative b over 2a. So if we plug that into the equation, I'll just do it over here. Sorry about that. I had the last one. I guess I didn't realize. F of negative 2 equals negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 plus 12. So we get right here negative 4 plus 8 plus 12, negative 4. So we get 4 plus 12. We get 16. And our range is saying the max it could be is 12. So it looks like equation B doesn't work, so the answer has to be D. I think that's an efficient way of going about it. If there was multiple choice, if it's not, then you may have to just kind of pick and choose each one. But I will give you more information.